simplify this, I know that x to the power of 5 is x times x times x times x times x. This line means divide, and x to the power of 2 means x times x. Now, because this is a fraction, I can divide the top and the bottom by the same number. So I can divide by x first of all, and then by another x. This leaves me with just this part here, which is x cubed. I'm sure you've all noticed that 5 take away 2 gives me this 3. And of course this works because division is the exact opposite of multiplication. When we multiplied, we added the powers, so when we divide, we subtract the powers. I can now do this one quickly. 14 divided by 2 gives me 7. And x to the power of 8 divided by x to the power of 2 gives me x to the power of 6, because 8 take away 2 is 6. These questions are the same type of questions as the one we've just done. It's just that they've been written with a divide sign instead of being written one on top of the other. We do them in the same way. So 5 take away 3 is 2, so this is x to the power of 2. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And 5 take away 3 is 2, so this is 4x to the power of 2. Here are some questions for you. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. Some of you may have written 4x to the power of 1 for this answer here. By convention, we don't actually put the 1 in. Here are 2 more difficult questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. Just out of interest, you can probably work out what the answer to 5 cubed is, because you know that 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. You can probably work out what the answer to 4 squared is, because 4 times 4 is 16. But unless you've seen it before, I bet you can't work out what 5 to the power of 0 is. Let's have a look at this. Using what we've learnt in this clip, we know that we can subtract these powers here. 2 take away 2 is 0, so the answer to this question must be 3 to the power of 0. But we also know that 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. And 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. And 9 divided by 9 is 1. So 3 to the power of 0 must be 1. In exactly the same way, this one is 2 to the power of 0, and it's also 8 divided by 8, which is 1. So 2 to the power of 0 is also 1. This one is a to the power of 0. For this, I can't work out a numerical value, but I know that anything divided by itself is 1. So this must still be 1. So anything to the power of 0 is 1. Finally, here are some questions for you. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. They're all 1 because anything to the power of 0 is 1. And you can often pick up a single mark in a GCSE exam just by knowing this simple fact.